Hello, everyone. Good morning or good evening for some of you. Alicia, hello there. Kirk, first. Hello. Yannick's, good morning. Dan, good morning. And Green is here. Green, you know, I was thinking about what what happened to you yesterday, and I wish you good luck with the new accounts. I know you can continue, Let's move on to a profitable week, right? We still have some time from the week. All right. Let's go, Green. Let's go. All right. New day, new opportunities. Let's see what it shows on the 1 hour. Okay, so this is the 1 hour chart. And we had a new day opening gap, which just got repriced in the previous hour. And like, look at this range. Quite interesting. Almost 500 points of range here. But we're still inside of this area. We have a very, very significant sell side liquidity at 19,075. If you look at the daily. So let's look at the mini as well. What is this? All right. So daily chart. On the mini, this swing low is 73.75. If you go back to last year's September, that's a September 11 low. Let's just put it there. September 11. All right, we're gonna go with that. So that could be interesting. It's not that far away. Anyway, on the upside, we have an Asia high at 500. Now that's a very, very nice round number, just at 500. And we have a small little fair value gap on the 5-minute there, and also a very shorter block. Not a beautiful one, that's for sure. Dark Cloud, 2K up. Oh my god, you are killing it, man. Congratulations. Tony, hey, good to see you, Tony. Yeah, sure. What is the daily loss limit on the 9,000? It's 4,500. 4,500, Tony. So on the evaluation account, make sure that there's a 50% consistency rule and 5 minimum trading days. And, on the funded account, $4,500 is going to be your safety threshold. So anything above $4,500 can be taken out. Also, Tony, please note that if you reach the safety net, you can request 50% of your safety net, which means $2,250. But then you have to close the account. Okay. So that's what I did, actually. And I'm not regretting it. I made it to $4,800 on the 150K funded account, and I closed the account, and I got 50% of the safety threshold as well. So it's money, but it's up to you, obviously. Trader Monk, good morning. Yeah, CPI day today, so it's gonna be fun. And Naomi, hello Naomi, good to see you. On the funded, yes, the main thing on the funded phase, which is the pro account. There's an intraday trailing drawdown. So, Alicia, hey, welcome, Alicia. So, intraday trailing. Will take profit trader close account if hit daily loss limit. Yes. I mean, yes and no. Technically, yes, it's going to be deactivated if you hit the daily loss limit of 4,500. One thing's for sure. if you reach the 4,500 on the funded account, it's gonna lock in. So if you go up, for example, $10,000, it's gonna be still locked in at 45. I mean, it's gonna be still. Man, what I meant to say is that it's gonna turn into static anyways about 4,500. So there's gonna be no more. It's not gonna trail or anything. That's what I meant to say. Finally, so no more trailing. But yeah, so they're gonna close it. Although the reset, you can reset your funded account 3 times, but it's super expensive. I do not advise to do so. It's $1,500 or $1,600, the 150K. The 50K account reset fees, I think $625 or something. But you can reset your funded account if you want to. Oh, yeah, I heard about that. Yeah, Green. Yeah. They are having some. I hope in a positive way. I really hope. Sam, good morning. If you already make they're not. Okay, I understand your question, Tony. They're not going to. It's not going to trail. It's not going to trail because there is no daily loss limit anymore. It's gonna get locked in. So if you make $9,000, you have $9,000 on the account, and on a bad day, for example, you lose $5,000 or $4,500, whatever, you're still good because you're locked in at $150,000 plus $100. I don't know why is that plus 100. Don't ask me why, but yeah. Yeah, no problem, Tony. Farhad, good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you, Farhad. And let's see what is going on. Is this gonna go? I wonder. I'm actually thinking to maybe take a small little position here. I don't know. Maybe on one of my accounts. Maybe. Which account is that? I still have a take profit trader account that I want to pass. I might take it there. I don't know. I've put a buy limit order at 17.50. Okay, so I have a buy limit at 17.50. Let's see if it goes down there. Ollie, good morning. Yeah, Take Profit Trader allows daily payouts. So I would say with Take Profit Trader, and it's better to go above $250, right? Because if you request anything below $250, there's going to be a $50 penalty. Penalty, quote unquote penalty, but that's... So anyway, if you make, on a good day, you make anything above 250, I mean, depends, you know. Because you have to wait until midnight for the account to update on the dashboard, and you have to wait until business hours to request the payout, and you have to wait a few hours. So I'm just saying that if you request every day, and you got to make sure that you're not doing some stupid trades and go into a drawdown so they will deny your payout. Maybe not every day, but if you have like a few $100s of decent profit or 1,000 on your account, I would just request it. You know. By the way, I got tagged into the position here. Yeah. It doesn't look that good now. But I got tagged into the trade. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, here it is. Yeah. That might not be a good idea. That's why this is just a evaluation account, and it goes down. Of course it does. It's just an eval, so I'm okay. Yeah, I think 373 could be the next one. Dang it. All right. 373 could be the next target. It's pretty close. I tried the probe trade. Yeah, the daily payouts are the best. Absolutely. Yes, this is Quant Tower. This is Quant Tower, yeah. Okay, this is not. This is TeamViewer. TeamViewer, come on. TradingView, I use TeamViewer sometimes. This is TradingView, and this is Quant Tower here, yeah. I do like Quant Tower because of it's simple to connect to multiple prop firms. Very simple to copy trade. Hey MB, what up, what up? Any giveaway today? We're gonna be doing giveaway, but I'm not, maybe not in the London session now. I'm not sure if we can. I have to change some stuff because I want to restart the $100 giveaway. So it might not gonna be in the stream, but it's gonna be with the third-party app that I used to do. So and that's gonna be $100. Quant Tower is the best in my opinion. Ninja Trader is good too, absolutely, but I think Quant Tower is absolutely great. Yeah, the only thing, if you want to connect to multiple prop firms and even copy trade, then you have to pay a monthly fee, which is $30, which is the advanced features. So you have to. Otherwise, it's free. If you just connect with one prop firm, it's a free platform. But if you want to copy trade and have multiple connections at the same time, then it's $30 per month. My code can give you a discount for 10%. It's like $3 discount, so $27 monthly fee. The fills are very good on TeamViewer, Michael. I think TeamViewer is just the best trading platform. Is it possible to trade and stream from my phone? No, I have an older phone. I have a Redmi 9, Redmi 9 Pro. It's like a 5-year-old phone, this one, and it just can't handle it. Sometime maybe I should do it someday. I mean, I wanted to do like a live stream from my phone. Yeah, Bulenox account maybe on the New York stream. The tick link doesn't work. Whoa, hold on. Oh, it's working. I'm logged in, so it's working. If you click on the link, if you want to have the discount, the code is Tamsebo or TTT40 eval for the evaluation accounts. I don't have custom code for evaluations. Nobody does actually. So in the description you can see it. It's TTT40 eval for 40% discount on the evaluation, or the Tamsebo code for the instant funded account. It should be working. Let me check it. Let me check it. All right. Biggest payout ever of one account. If you sure. Biggest payout ever. Now, first of all, Matthew, I'm not Patrick Wieland or some big streamer who gets $60,000 on a single payout, or 100,000 or 600. My biggest payout on one prop firm at one single payout was $4,000, but I had multiple payouts for $1,500, $1,000, $1,200. So if I see $1,000, $1,500, whatever, I just take it out, you know. But in one single payout, 4,000 was the biggest from Apex, by the way. So I'm just a small streamer, small trader, but you know, the goal is to get those big payouts too. For example, I'm expecting a payout from Bulenox. The account has already been deducted, so let me show you. Here's the account. This was over $4,250, and now it's already got deducted. So today is Bulenox payout, so I'm expecting $1,500. All right, let me see those links. Is it working? Is it not working? What's the issue? It's working. All right, it's working. I don't have an error on my end. It's okay. It's okay. If you click on my Tick Trader link, it brings you to Tick Trader. It should be. What's the longest you've held onto a funded account? 96 days. 96 days. That was the longest. That was the longest. Yeah, on average, well, I don't know. Obviously, try to aim for a payout at least, you know. But good question. I would say on average, well, it's not a good average, by the way, but my funded accounts last around a month or so. Something like that. Which is not too good. But yeah. Well, it wasn't always like that. I mean, sorry. It was like it was a Bulenox account, by the way, and also I had 2 Apex accounts for almost I don't know the exact number, but almost 3 months with 2 Apex accounts, and I had 2 payouts from those. And what else? MyFundedFutures funded account, I was holding it almost for 3 months. So pretty much this 90 days-ish was my top. 96 is the absolute record. It would be great to hold it throughout the year, you know. Yeah, it's easier to get the payout. It's easier to get through the safety net. That's for sure. That is for sure. But also, you know, the threshold is a little bit less, but I think 50K is pretty much optimal. But if you like to go with a little bit bigger size, which many of you guys do, and then I mean, the 150K is also very popular, especially because of this no daily loss limit, and you can make like bigger gains on the 150K account. Slot Plus Hunter is here. What's up? Hey. How's it going? How's it going? Are you gonna trade crude oil or how's it looking? Oh, it's going down. Annoyed at work. Want to quit so bad. I know. Trust me, I know how that feeling is. Alex, good morning. What up, Alex? How's your day? Or morning? I'm still having my coffee here. Okay, so we're hovering here at this new day opening gap. I see that 371 down there. Maybe price wants to sweep that level too, especially because if I look down here on the 5-minute, this is a bullish order block or demand zone. So now I feel like it might just want to go lower. To 71. I'm not sure. It might gonna sweep some levels here. Do we have news in the morning? I mean, in the London session, nothing. Nothing. Okay. I'm looking for a scalp here. Actually, I took a small scalp. This is not part of my entry model. This is absolutely a total, and this is on an evaluation account. So I'm not taking this trade on a funded account, only on an evaluation account. Let me show you. This is the trade. I'm looking for it to go lower, all the way down to the 70s. Again, this is not my typical entry model. I'm just looking this to sweep that sell side, especially because of the order block down there, and that is it. Retracement, play New York, exactly. And Q, well, as you can see, we're still just you know, hovering here. You also drink coffee? Oh yeah, exactly, Alex. Always, you know, when I wake up, I say, all right, thank you, my lord. CPI, we should trade back to Eval. Yeah, could be. I was thinking this one can maybe sweep that low down there. Yeah. You were right. Good setups. Yeah, I'm a little bit skeptical myself, and it could be a tricky one. So, yeah. Everybody's gonna wait for the 10 a.m. hour New York session. Possible downside of the trades there. Yeah, could be. Hey Molo, what's up? Well, I'm making slow progress next to you. Malo is printing money every day. Dom, good to see you. You got 3 funded accounts. Congratulations, man. That is awesome. No trading. Oh, yeah. Nice. It's good to wait for payouts, right? It's good to wait for those payouts. I'm waiting for a Bulenox payout myself. Let's go, Dom. Congratulations. You know, take it slow. What is happening here? I thought we are gonna waterfall down to that 70 area. Deviated from the plan. I might just close this. Should have done it already. It's back. Yeah, you have to. Yeah. This is the best job in the world, right? Exactly. It's hard. The hardest way to earn easy money, you know. So what's it gonna be at the CPI news? I have an example for you guys. Everybody's gonna be chasing price like in Family Guy, but everybody was buying waffle, you know.
Now let's grip it and rip it. The Fed is going to be lowering rates, so get your money out of T-bills and put it all into waffles. Tasty waffles with lots of syrup.
Waffles! Buy waffles! 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 Waffles!
Everybody's gonna buy waffles. All right, my trade is off the chart right now. Oh, it's not looking good, man. I might have to close it. I might gonna have to close it. Exactly, Malo. Exactly. That is why this is so awesome. All right, I closed the trade. That is why this is so awesome. All right, stop fooling around here. I mean, I'm saying it to myself. Gotta take this seriously. I mean, I don't know. Should I jump in there? I don't know. Okay. I've put on a buy limit at 16.25. Evaluation account only. All right, let's read the chat. Intraday Zay. Hey. Yeah, SMT at lows. Yeah. Beanie Player, what's up? Yeah. SMT at low. Yeah, I'm seeing that. The 10 for the 10-day period, let's say you have 7K and you get payout 1K after payout. You have 6 for second payout. If you just make 1 payout, can you request? Yeah, sure, you can. You can. Absolutely, Jay. You can request $1,500, by the way, if you're talking about a 50K account. That's the maximum for the first 3 payouts. And after the first 3 payouts, there is no withdrawal cap. Now you get caught in the fake out. Yeah. I have a buy limit, as I said. It's at 16. Can you flip a micro at Apex? Yes, you can, but you need to have 5 minimum trading days above $50. But you can flip it. Yeah. Yeah, Rich Goodwin. Yes. There you go. So Malo went through the road and it's possible. Listen to trade Apex or your other funded accounts outside your country. No. I never did that. Oh my god. I just received the payout from Bulenox. Payout received from Bulenox right now. I just received the payout for $1,500 about, I don't know, 10 minutes ago. Let's go, Bulenox. I like Bulenox. Bulenox is just paying. They just pay. No questions asked. Bulenox is paying. We like it. Account manager. Risk management is the key factor. Good morning, Karsten. Hey. Yes, I'll be trading CPI, but not at the news release, but I'll be here for the stock exchange open. Thanks for dropping in, Karsten. Thank you, Malo. Let's go. Isham, good morning. Balling, yeah. Bulenox right now is at 83% discount. I don't know how much is the 50K. 20 something dollars or 30? 20, I don't know. $30, $28 the upfront cost. The activation fee is 148. So this was the account I got the payout from. It was at 4,251. I requested 1,500. I have the other account as well, getting ready for payout. Well, I still have to make 685. And this other one is above $2,000 as well. So I'm in this. Sorry, just a second. I have to adjust my stop because I'm in a trade. Okay. So I'm in a trade on an evaluation account. Only evaluation account trade. Take profit trader eval. Enter the trade. I'd like to target that level up there. Yeah, it's straight to my bank account, Jason. Straight to my bank account. So I requested the account was deducted after the reset. You know, yesterday reset. The balance got deducted, and in my time, like it's 8:18 in the morning, and I got it on my international bank account. Whenever you request it, Jason, whenever you request the payout, it's not gonna happen on the same week. So it doesn't matter which day you request on the week. It can be Monday, Tuesday, whatever. It's gonna be paid out on the next week. So that's the payout policy with Bulenox. I requested this last Wednesday, for example. I uploaded the documents and the information. Obviously, it was uploaded before. And this is my second payout for the same account. And it doesn't matter which day you request. The next week, if the payment is going to happen on next week, Wednesday. But they pay out every week. Every Wednesday, they do a payout. Every single Wednesday, there is payout. If you request it, you can accept the payout on the next Wednesday. That's the thing. Did you use for that Bulenox? Mostly micros, yeah. For example, like here, I trade with 2 micros. This is $115 stop loss ish, and I try to aim for bigger risk to reward. But I usually try to trade like this on most of my accounts. Obviously, not always. Yes, I used to scalp, and I'm not good in scalping. I know. But yeah. I mean, my core strategy. Sorry, my core strategy is the ICT 2022 entry model, but I'm looking for fair value gaps, supply and demand zones. So yeah, you have to wait next week for the funds to be taken out. Yes, exactly, Jason. So, Jason, just a pro tip. If your account is at payout level, there's two things you have to be careful with Bulenox. You have to trade once every single week. Okay. Now the account balance is going to be deducted at the end of the Tuesday session, right? After Tuesday, every Tuesday, if you have a payout request, Tuesday after the market close, after the reset, it's going to be deducted usually. Now you have to push the button once every week. There was no issue, by the way. We do not know anyone yet, whose account got closed because he was not pushing the button. For example, I can tell you from my experience, I pushed the button on a Monday and I requested a payout. Okay, so I had to wait for the next Wednesday. But you know, from Monday to next Wednesday, it's more than 5 trading days, right? Or more than 5 business days. So I was a little bit worried that, okay, I was just at payout level. I didn't want it to lose a trade and, you know, lose my payout. So I was a little bit worried. Should I do something? Should I push the button? But Bulenox support said that don't worry, you don't have to push the button. You can wait for the payout. So what I'm saying here, I know it's hard to follow me right now. What I'm saying here, make sure that you trade the Bulenox funded accounts once every week just to be safe. You can flip it if you want to, but not too much. You know, one flip is okay. And if you don't want to make something stupid with the account, don't trade it. Wait for next week. That's why it's good to have more than one funded accounts with Bulenox. So you can, or whatever, you know, multiple funded accounts, multiple preference, whatever. Just you know, don't trade the account until next Wednesday, because that's where you're gonna bleed out. You want to make more profits, like, yay, I made it, and you have some losing streak, and you're gonna lose that. You know, don't do it. So this account that I get the payout from, I haven't traded it since last Wednesday, I think. Yeah. Yes, $148, Dokugan, yes. You requested yesterday, so you're gonna get it next week. Jason, don't worry, you're gonna get it next week, next Wednesday. You have to, I'm sorry to say that, but you have to wait. But you're gonna get it. I was also waiting since last Wednesday. So yeah, you can do it, just be careful. You know, be careful, Jason. Yeah, exactly. There you go, DL Zazinga. So I was a little bit worried. I asked them and they said, don't worry, it's fine. So, oh my God, this is just terrible. I'm going to close this trade as well. All right. I don't feel it. This is just evaluation account, but still. I thought that this is going to be like super simple, but it's not. It's not. All right. Yes, I'm trading. Of course I'm trading, Bobo. Yes, absolutely. Take Profit Trader is a go-to for me. And I got the payout from 150K account. So it takes about 3 weeks to even attempt to get payout with Bulenox. 10 trading days, exactly. Something like that, only shot. The first payout, that is. The first payout. After the first payout, I would say you turn into a bi-weekly payout cycle. So if you always push the button, you know, then less and more, you're going to be at a bi-weekly payout cycle. Remember fast with the activation fee. With do they put a credit card out? Well, I have my accounts. The one that I have are activated because it was on the previous promo. But I'm also doing a new take profit trader with no activation fee. Do they put a credit in your wallet for the fee? I think that's how they're gonna do it, by the way. I've been told by someone, it was on the previous no fee promo, that's how it happened. RM Trade. That's how they put the 130 on the wallet, and it was for activation because of the payment and the system and everything. I think that was more easier for take profit trader to do. They just simply put the credit there, and I think that's how it goes. Yeah, I think that is how it goes. I'm looking at this. Where does it want to go? I think it wants to pop higher a little bit. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's gonna be there. I think you have to wait until business hours. RM trades. You have to wait for. Whoa! All game in one. Hey, thank you for the subscription. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. So I think they're gonna do it in business hours. They said that, especially nowadays, they are a little bit behind because they're doing it manually. Yeah. Talk to their support and they will help you out. How long for you to pass 150k take profit? It took me about 2 weeks, almost 3, something like that. Yeah. But I was risking a lot. So I know I had a day that I was on a little bit on tilt, and I was a little bit lucky, and I made like almost $3,000 on a good day. I was a little bit lucky there, but it still took me about 2 or 3 weeks, at least 2. Awesome. So all right, let's see. We're going up. Should have held that trade earlier. All right. Back to Eval. Oh, honestly, well, I mean, I just, I mean that it is that's what it is. That's what happened. I'm wondering if this here wants to go above the midnight area. You know, up to the 60s maybe even. I'm just curious. It might just gonna go down and... Whoa, what is happening here? Alright, nothing. On NQ longs, well, I'm a little bit disappointed in myself right now because I closed the trade in the drawdown. I should have been holding the trade. Here was the trade that I closed right here. I messed up the settings, and this was the original trade. Well, at least something like this. This was my trade, and I closed it because I got scared. I closed it down here, right there, manually. Prime example, what not to do. Prime example, what not to do. Yeah. Yeah, the daily payout is a gold mine. Exactly, Bobo. If anyone would like to grab some Take Profit Trader account, you know, the best cheat code, by the way, it's not just bringing you luck. It's increasing your chances to pass the evaluation phase. And the whole system is just, you know, everything just works better when you use the code, you know. All right, I'm talking bullshit here. You want to short 462? I think that's a good idea. Let's wait for the break of 66 at least. And before you go short, what I would do is wait for some kind of a structure built here and wait for a proper displacement or a structure shift. You know, that's how I would do it, you know. Or maybe you have a different entry model. I'm not sure, Yonix, but that's how I would short it. I still like the sell side liquidity at 371. And the order block is at 344. But, you know. Yeah, best to wait for London Open. I messed up. I do have some FOMO, by the way. But it was just an evaluation account. But I still have some FOMO about this. $50 accounts during 3-4 years of trading. Frustrated. Cookie, you're nowhere. I've blown like... I don't know how many accounts. Like, I am, since I'm trading. So, for example, with Apex, I'm on account 197. 197. Usually, like 90% of the time, I bought these accounts when there was a sale. So I don't know the average. I think I should, but it's since I started trading with Apex, and it was like years ago. And with Bulenox, I'm on the 110th evaluation account. Plus, I have the 59th funded account right now. So let's just do some calculations with Apex. 197 times. I know 80% of these accounts were bought at the 90% sale, at least 80% of the time, but I don't know how much to calculate with. So those were like, how much money was that? Anyway, because I was buying in like 5 or 10s. I'm gonna calculate with 25 bucks. Oh, let's just say $5,000 on evaluation accounts. Let's make it $6,000. And activation fees, well, for the funded accounts, I paid like, so 59. It wasn't always 125. Sometimes it was 80. So let's go with $110, all right? Plus $6,000. I have spent around $12,000 with Bulenox, at least, maybe more. At least $12,000 I've spent with Bulenox. And overall, I got around $11,000 in payout, or $10,000 from Apex. Sorry. So, am I profitable? I am definitely not profitable. I'm not, you know. And not to talk about Bulenox. 110, Jesus. Times, usually I bought it for the $15 account, but let's just go with 20. Plus activation fee, I don't even know how many accounts. I know I definitely paid like $3,000 in activations. So with Bulenox, I've spent around $5,000. Now I'm in the positive territory with Bulenox, by the way, because now I'm somewhere around $10,000 in payouts, and I think I've spent around between $5,000 to $6,000 with Bulenox since I started trading. Not this year, since I started trading. So my tuition money is coming back from Bulenox. With Apex, I can actually show you. I got denied a few times recently. Let me show you the payout requests. So I'm not profitable. I'm not proud of that, actually. Not too many payouts. Not too many payouts. Actually, I don't need a calculator. $12,000. $12,000 from Apex since I started trading. First payout from Apex came last year, August the 1st. And I got denied for these ones up there. Just recently for $517. This account is still active. So look at that. The first account that I got the payout was number 5. My 5th funded account from Apex got the payout for $2,000. Anyway, last year. Oh, look at that. Woo. Now I do regret not entering this trade. I mean, not taking it on a live account or funded. Let me read the chat real quick. I'm way behind the chat. Sorry, everybody. Shameless plug for sure. Well, I mean, yeah. 190. Yeah, exactly. As I just said, I spent around $11,000 or $12,000 with Apex. So right now, Byte Media, I'm around break even with Apex right now. My tuition is, you know, somewhat around break even with Apex. I'm not profitable, first of all, Byte Media. I am far from being profitable. But it took me, I would say, 2 years for my brain to rewire. So I started to learn trading like real seriously at the end of 21, most likely 2022. And I started with FTMO. I got funded with FTMO that I bought a Blondie account, whatever. But things have started to change from 2023, early 23. So I would say 2 years, more than 2 years, almost 3 years. that I got my tuition back. As you can see, I'm still not profitable. I cannot make a living. I never said I can make a living from trading because I'm not. I'm not making a living from trading. So why don't you trade with TopStep? I have multiple reasons, Yonix. And if we are being super honest this morning, here are my reasons. One of the reasons why I don't trade with TopStep is the micro scaling rule. I don't like it, except if you're trading on TopStep X. So I think that is not so good. You have to trade on TopStep X. I don't want to trade on TopStep X. Not that I have any issue, but I like One Tower. I pretty much used to trade on this platform. The micro scaling rule sucks. I don't like it. Second of all, I don't like the payout policy. Say what you want. I just don't. It's not my favorite payout policy. TopStep is a great company, by the way. Don't get me wrong. I just don't like the payout policy. The third is that they just changed, you know, the straight to the live account path. That if you go to live, you have to close your XFA accounts. I don't like that. And fourth, but last but not least, I do the YouTube channel as technically a business because I just said I cannot make a living from trading payouts. The way I make money to be here full time is because of you guys who are supporting me, and I really appreciate that. I couldn't be here without the affiliate commissions because I'm an affiliate trader, but I never claimed that I'm a good trader or I make a living from trading. At least not yet, but that's the goal, to make payouts, more payouts from trading. But without the affiliate money, I couldn't be here. So last but not least, I'm not affiliated with TopStep because they kicked out every affiliate. So I'm not pushing TopStep that much because it's just not a business perspective for me as well. You know, that's it. So, but I do like, and despite everything, I think Take Profit Trader is definitely, anyway, we're going to talk about that too. Yeah, no problem, Cookie. Why not buy end of day account at Bulenox? I have no problem with intraday trailing because I trade small size. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. I trade small size even if I want to ride my average risk to reward ratio is usually 1.5 to 2. That's what I'm trying to go for, and I don't care about the trailing stuff because my risk on a funded account is like $100 or $200 ish maximum. So I'm okay. I'm okay with it. Yeah. I think the activation fee. Yeah, I added it. Yeah, I added the activation fee. Oh, I didn't add the activation fee. Or I added that. Oh, I added that. I added that. I added the activation fee with the calculation at Apex. My take profit is at 6,800. Let's go. Took one long. $1,000. Malo, shut it down. This guy comes here, makes the money, takes the money, walks away like Clint Eastwood in the sunset. That's how he does it. Yeah, it's hard to do that, Byte Media. Awesome, Malo, congratulations. Anku is doing crazy stuff right now. Hit the like button, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Alicia. What happened to crude oil? Oh, what is happening here? What is happening here? Jace. What a V-shaped recovery here. Wow. Bowser, good to see you. What's up? 300 a day and stop. Do it every day. That's what I'm doing, John. So if I make like $200 or $300 on a funded account, I just move on, maybe to another funded account or to an evaluation account. The problem is I'm addicted to the charts. I'm addicted to the chart. So I realized that I just need to keep on trading, but I can control myself if I move on to another account. You know, I move on to another account and I look for setups. Obviously not looking for crazy trades. Try to hold myself off tilt. And that's what I do. If I make $200 or $300, boom, just move on. You know, just move on. What up, Trades by Slade? The man. The myth, the legend. No, you're the legend, man. How's it going? Slade has entered the building. It's going to fall. I can't bite media. I can't handle the pressure. I mean, I see people copy trading 20, 30, 50 accounts. I can't do that. What I can do is I can copy trade 2 or 3 accounts, maybe. I can do that. But I don't have that much funded account. I think I have like 6 or 7 funded accounts right now. And I trade them separately, individually. Most likely. Sometimes I copy trade 2 accounts from that. And that's a slow progress, I know. But I'm still learning, you know. It's still like I'm on a journey on this one. So I have to rewire my brain and not to think about those amount of accounts. When I tried to copy trade 6 or 8 funded accounts, I think my mind was totally I was like, I was having PTSD at the second I got those copy traded. I was having serious PTSD. Look at that, going higher. It should be taking out the Asia high, right? I don't know. Just an idea. Did it go for the 500 or not? Oh, now it went. Okay. Let's go, Slade. Let's go. 500 live. Let's go. Yeah, GTC workshop. I'm not against copy trading, but I definitely share the opinion that copy trading is a bit of a, so just be careful with copy trading. It could be a trap because it's going to trigger your mind much faster to go tilt. And that's what happened to me, no exception. I tried copy trading like almost all my funded accounts like 3 or 4 times. I tried to do that last year in 24 like 3 times. Guess what happened? Everything. I tried that. I couldn't handle it. You know, you go down $200, for example, on a losing trade or whatever, on a funded account. That's okay. And then you start to think that, oh my God, it's 8 times 200. And you start to think how much money and effort and energy you put into those funded accounts. It's escalating the feelings, you know, everything's gonna, so you're gonna go crazy. And I tried that last year without exceptions. Every time, blown everything. I got full tilt. I got total crazy. And guess what happened? I'm gonna tell you a true story. Sit back, relax. I'm gonna look in the camera. When I was not copy trading, I was reaching payouts. And guess what? I wasn't buying new evaluation account. I wasn't spending money on new evals. I wasn't paying more activation fee. I was trading, and you know what happened? True story. I was on a losing streak on a funded account. I was down $500 or 400 something. I don't know. Guess what happened? I moved on to another account, and I was looking for proper setups. And guess what happened? I made profit on the next account. So basically, that's kind of a risk management, is what I want to say. And I didn't blow the account. And I realized that with this method, while I was rotating the accounts, you know, you have to do some calculations because it's a business. If you blow 5, 8, 10, 20 accounts because you're on a losing streak, you have to spend, again, a lot of money to get new evals, to get new funded, activation fees, blah, blah, blah. Is it worth it? Or you take a step back and, you know, go step by step. Now, I'm not saying copy trading is all bad. I'm aiming to be able to copy trade, but not 20 accounts. Maybe I'm gonna divide it to groups like 2 or 3 accounts at a time. You know, maybe to have like 20 accounts. I'm looking into that, to have 20 funded accounts, and I'm gonna divide them to small groups like 2 or 3 accounts, and that's how I'm looking to copy trade it. Anyway, just my personal opinion. Take it or leave it. That's what I think. 687.50. Okay, all right. I have it there. Look at that. I have it already. Previous day high, 687.50. Short about 500. Yeah. So yeah. I only trade 1 micro on my live account, multiple twice on my account. 8 accounts, but because it's my first. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Everybody built different, right? Everybody's built different, and I know. By the way, I think I'm gonna short this on an eval only. I don't know why I'm only feeling comfortable right now on eval, but I think I'm gonna do it on a take profit trader eval. Have to wait for all right, I'm gonna wait for the candle to close, and I'm gonna put a limit order. Copy trading all your accounts at once is a bad move. You never know. Exactly. Bad day. Exactly. Internet outage, power outage. Exactly. Anything can happen. There are some factors that you cannot control. Rhythmic issue, you know, or prop firm issue, whatever. And the copy software goes bad or whatever. You know, copy trading all your funded accounts, I think is a bad idea overall. So that's why I said at least divide it to smaller groups, and you should be fine. I put a limit sell order at 482. 482. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna go back up there. It feels like super heavy right now, that it wants to waterfall down, but we'll see. All right, unfortunately it could be a reversal, but anyway. 750 on your live. Let's go. Nice job. Yeah, we have the CPI, so gotta be careful. Opening price 4 a.m. Opening price right here. Right here, 474. Let's see. Copy of it. I have 2 phones and probably 5 ways to close. Well, that's it. That's a good thing, Bowser, because if you have, for example, I have my laptop here to my left. I have my laptop and I have my cell phone Wi-Fi if I have to. If my internet goes off, the electricity goes off, my laptop is always charged. I have internet from my cell phone, and I can log into Rhythmic Trader on my laptop, and if I need to, I can close the trades on Rhythmic. Actually, I have Quant Tower there as well, so I can log in from my laptop, no problem. Worst case scenario, but I still, you know, what if there's an issue with Rhythmic? I don't know, but yeah, there has to be some contingency plan for cases like this. My trade wasn't triggered. Okay, I entered the short. Only on an evaluation account, so no sweat. I'm targeting 432 on a take profit trader eval. It was a market entry, by the way, because I missed my anyway, I messed up the entry a little bit, but I'm short. Okay, I have the trade. Here it is. And I'm looking for this area down there. We'll see. Obviously, it can go higher. So, oh, TradeSyncer, I heard about that. I'm gonna look into that. It's a new copy trading website, right? I'm not gonna use it because, as I said, I'm willing to copy trade like 2 accounts or something. You know, that's basically it's still doable and it's a good thing. This doesn't look like it wants to fall. Maybe it is. I don't know. Oh, man. I think it's yeah, it's not for free. You have to pay for it. I already pay $30 per month for Quantower. I do that in Quantower. You can get it for $27, by the way. I have a discount for that too. It's $3, but I already pay a monthly fee for it with Quantower. I mean, not for the website, but for Quantower. Yeah, I think so. It looks like it's just accumulating positions, and I think it's ready for another push. I'm not liking this. Not the slightest. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky here. I mean, the Asia high was taken out, but I'm not sure about the rest right now. Push 92. Yeah, I could go back. Funded account, should I have 3 already? I'm working on my 4th evaluation. No, I mean, I'm never stopping. I always work on evaluation accounts in the background. I would say if you can maintain, like, it's different for everybody. First of all, it's different for everybody because everybody trades on a different level, different way. So it's hard to say. For me, I can handle like separately 5 to 6, 7 funded accounts actively trading on them. Obviously, I have to use copy trading above that amount. So I would say 4, 5, 6 accounts is plenty, even if you rotate them for the first phase of your, you know, journey to being profitable. That's, I mean, obviously, if you really want to be really aiming to be good traders and not prop gamers but traders, then eventually one single account should do the job, right? So the end goal for being a day trader should be like having 1 or 2 accounts and just make constant payouts from that, right? But we are in the prop firm game, and that's how it goes. And I would say 5, 6, 7, depending on how you do. It doesn't mean that you cannot trade with 20. I mean, I salute to those people who are trading 20, 30, 50 accounts, copy trading. I salute. I think it takes extremely strong discipline and mental awareness to copy trade 20 or 30 or even more, 50 funded accounts. I think that takes a lot of discipline and extremely strong skill to copy trade that many accounts. So I salute, honestly. Let's go. Just go down. Come on. Go down. ICT called 17,830 tariff impact. Could be. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I kind of feel like as I'm reading more articles about this that something, there could be something in that Trump maybe wants to or the Trump administration or people behind Trump might want to get the markets to go lower for refinancing purposes, you know, to shift the balance between some big money for cheaper price. I don't know. That's like a whole level, a whole different level, like a 4D chess game, really. So something. So it's better for them if the market goes down now. I'm not sure. Max at every prop firm. But do it this way. Copy trade and eval while trading your funded. Yeah, that's also a good one. That's also a good strategy, Jay. Because we're going to do the new financial system on the blockchain. Yeah, maybe that's why. Maybe it's because of the blockchain. I mean, it was interesting that the United States actually buying or putting that much Bitcoin into reserve as well. Interesting move. Kind of tells you something. Look at that. It was looking so good, and now it's just popping higher. Well, what can we do, right? Sold right down to the VWAP. Yeah, exactly. Back to the open. Interesting, really. Very interesting. And I totally forgot about the pre-market open, by the way. Yeah, SMT. Opening time SMT, yeah. By the way, I'm gonna pick up day traders too. I'm already trading with day traders on evaluation account, but I found them interesting. They're also a new prop firm, and I also have a code for them, but no monthly fee on the evaluation account. Only one-time payment, and you can take your time. You can take 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, whatever you want, until you're not blowing up the account. So waiting for the right time. Yeah. Let's see. This is gonna be interesting. That's for sure. Let's see how far it goes. Okay. It's not far from that fair value gap down there. Low is 45. Should go lower. Should go lower. All right. Let's go. High resistance liquidity run, yeah. I think it shouldn't be a big deal for price to reach down for that 432-ish area. All right. Let's see. What's the low there? Let me check it out. There's a gap on the 5 minute with the low of 45. Not sure if it wants to go with that, but it seems like it might want to. 45 exactly on the, it's on the micro and on the mini. Let me see. Low, yeah, 45.50. There. And that's a 5 minute gap down there. I mean, it's hovering here. 5 minute chart says going down. 10K tick chart going up. Yeah, it's an interesting level, that's for sure. It's an interesting level. Anyway, let's wait for it. We have new 5 minute and 15 minute and 30 minute candle in about 3 minutes and 18 seconds. It's wiggling around here in this area. Not really sure. Of what it wants to do. But it should be going down, in my opinion. VWAP. Hey, Gamecraft. What's up? What's up? Good to see you. How's it going? I saw your post again. Congratulations on the payouts. All is good. All is good. All right. Oh, well. Where is it gonna go? You the goat. You the goat. Let's go. Going lower to 45. Yeah. And who knows? Who knows how far? Neither, I think 29.39 for a buy. Yeah, good area. That's a good area. I'm just hoping for one more reach down to below 32. Actually, this small gap here could be a tricky one, though. Look at that, it might be turning around here. It picked up liquidity from a 5 minute gap. 10 accounts, let's go, Gamecraft. Oh my god, 10 accounts payout. Ah, that would be juicy. That would be very, very, very juicy to take payouts from 10 accounts at a time. We'll get there. Don't worry, everybody. We'll get there. Everybody will get there. Just don't give up. We're not giving up. You lose 1,000 and take profit 995 in Top Step. Let's go. Well, that's how you do it. Oh yeah, Gamecraft, definitely. We'll get there. You'll get there sooner. You're way ahead. What is this? Oh my god, it's not looking good. Dirty move, Nasdaq. Dirty. I think it's the best for now. I like the other ones too. Yeah, oh, any good? Gamecraft. No, not just any good. They are, I think they're a real, they are causing real headache for Top Step and Apex and MyFundedFutures. So yeah. Obviously I like those prop firms as well. Top Step is great. I do think MyFundedFutures is one of the greatest, and I'm doing the new starter account with them again. I'm building up those fundeds. So, and Apex. So I think these are the big ones. But Take Profit Trader just broke to the top, I think. Yeah, definitely Gamecraft. I think it's a very good, very good choice. Elite Trader is good too. They are good. They are solid. They're in the business for years now. They're paying out. There's some very good prop firms out there, really. Maybe they're not as big as Top Step or Apex or whatever, but there are some solid prop firms. Trade Day, for example. You know, it's just you have to really know which direction to go with. Yeah, daily payouts are absolutely juicy. That's what they want people to be attracted by, with whatever, you know what I mean. So it's really attracting people. Daily payouts. Oh man, this trade was looking good, and now not so good. Oh man, what to do? I was trading with Elite Trader funding, and all was good. Support was good. I was trading through Rhythmic, no issues. $22. Let's go, Ollie. That's profit. Green is green, you know. So no issue with Elite Traders. Yeah, the activation fee. That's the problem. That's the problem. I don't even know how much is it right now, because I'm currently not trading with them. It was cheaper, I know. It's somewhere about $200 or $300. I'm not sure. $500. Jesus. Okay. 500. Okay then. Never mind. 500 is a little bit too much. Is a little bit too much. I think they can do business on a lower price as well. So I don't know why it's so expensive. But I do think it's a bit too much. Hey, Natasha is here. Hello there. Good morning. Yeah, exactly. exactly. I mean, they pay, if that's what you're asking. I mean, or you're asking it's a one-time payment. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. They have a $80 monthly payment, and I think that's their business model. They want to lure people into monthly activation fee, just like Apex has it for $80 if you want to. Yeah. Yeah. I saw that. Well, actually, just parts of it. Just parts of it. Yeah. Not the complete. I just clicked into it and watched some parts of it, but not the complete. Some things that they're changing it to. Yeah, he's a little bit mad. I think they're changing to doing something for end of day trailing on the fundeds. I'm not sure, or maybe considering. But obviously, they cannot do everything because, as the CEO said, if they do everything like 1 day pass, end of day underfunded, no loss limit, daily payout. So if you want everything, it's not going to be sustainable. And there was something that the CEO said that I really liked. Instead of ticks, can you put price, please? I mean, I don't really like to see the money amount here because it distracts me to see the money. But I can do that. How can I do that here? I changed it once. I don't know how to change it now. Modify? No. Indicators, overlay. How do I do that? Settings. Trades. Positions. Ticks. Currency net. That's a good one, right? Ticks, currency net. Okay. There you go. I see. Okay. Well, I'm just, okay, I understand. Okay. So my stop loss is about $100 on this one. So as you can see, it's around $40 right now. Yeah, I'm totally okay with the take profit trader too. And also there was something that the CEO said, and I do love that sentence that he said. If you want everything, it's not sustainable. Now, what do you want? Do you want a prop firm that gives you everything, but is going to go bankrupt in a short period of time? It's not the way he said it. I'm just saying this. Or you want a prop firm for sustainability and a prop firm that pays out everybody as much as it can. Now, obviously, I go with more rules just to make sure that the prop firm is going to stay for the long term. They have also a business model in the risk management department with the 1 day pass and no rules and everything, no rules at all. You just have to make 1%, end of day drawdown, static drawdown, 1 day pass, daily payout, everything. That prop firm is going to go bankrupt real soon. So so when he said it, do you want sustainability or do you want a prop firm to go down? I want a prop firm, and not just take profit trader, any prop firm to be here long term because it's a good thing. I think we need capital, and prop firms is the best way to do it. I don't want to stay and build up accounts for a month or weeks or month. So if by some stupid risk management reason the prop firm is going down because no rules, you can do anything you want. So yeah, sustainability, much more important. This is going to go higher. So my position is bust here. No problem. GTC. Let's go. First payout today at Take Profit Trader. Congratulations. I'm out from this. It seems like it wants to go higher. How about that? 5 points to go higher here. I think it will go. Will it go? I think it can. Anyway, I'm not doing anything with it. I think it wants to go through. Nice little Asia high. Yeah. I think it just wants to go through that Asia high. Just a little bit of a push there. There you go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Did it go through, by the way? Technically. Now it's going through. All right. I just wanted to check. Jump too early. Yeah. Nathan, good morning. Hello. 55-minute inversion. Oh, nice. Congrats, congrats. I was hoping to reach down for this gap, and well, it is what it is. Didn't go down. What is up there? How far can this one go? Not much to see to the left. There's a flat candle at 555, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna put a line here. Might want to reach for that. Yesterday high, yeah. Yeah, 687. Short 510. 1 micro. All right. Yesterday high 687. It can go, obviously. How's the 1 hour look like? 687. Yeah, and you know, if you look to the left, there's a fair value gap not too far from it on the 1 hour. So it looks juicy up there. Sorry, I'm switching all around the place here. Okay. Weekly VWAP at 539. Now it's picking up some orders, I guess, in this gap. And if it goes, this can act as support. So everything looks good to go higher. Yeah, we have the macro real close. I need to work on my funded futures account more. I need to work on those accounts a little bit more. But I have no entry. So let me just backtest of what's happened and what I was looking for. I had a classic ICT entry here. Almost instantly got taken out from that. That was this trade. And then I entered another one right here. I put the stop down there, somewhere around down there, with the TP up there. The problem is I was stupid and I closed the trade manually down there. So this was a negative 1R. This could have been a plus 2R. And then I got to a short right here. Which was looking extremely good, but it got me out. So that's overall, shoulda, woulda, coulda. This could have been a 0 day, but unfortunately, I went down to a loss here and I closed the account there. So right now, I'm not looking that good on these trades. So these were the ones that I've taken. So not good. And now I just don't know what should I do. Yeah. Interesting movement, that's for sure. We're just gonna have to wait a little bit more. Hey, be your game. Yeah, you gotta step back, you know, relax. Relax. Enjoy the payout from Bulenox. And, you know, excuse me. Enjoy the charts. Where are we going? What is the 555? Is that a what level is that? I totally forgot. What? Oh, that's a flat candle. Okay, flat candle on the 5 minute. 5 minute flat candle at 555. It's gonna go for it. It seems like it. Careful. Careful. Drinks on me. Of course, everybody is gonna win sooner or later. How far is this going, I wonder? Oh, I just passed a take profit trader test account. I totally forgot that. Here, this one. Yeah, new take profit trader, no activation fee. Yeah, I only had to make 47 bucks on it because I was almost there. But we got it. No activation. Yeah. All right. Brian, hey there. That was a 50K account. 50K. Applause. Let's go. I only needed 40 something dollars. So that was just a quick scalp on the way up here. Let's see. 555. I think it's I mean 555 flat candle, 5 minute. Check it out. It's gonna go there. Did you turn on the buy algo. Yeah, I called. Actually, I called two places. I called the market makers, some hedge funds and banks, and they told me, "Don't worry, it's gonna go up." But first, I had to call Michael, and I wasn't sure because he's sleeping now, and is he gonna be angry at me or whatever? Anyway, I called Michael. I asked him because he's the ghost in the machine. Is it possible to push it to a bullish direction? And he said, I'm just a little shit. I don't know anything, and he do what he wants, and don't ever try to call him again while he's sleeping in Maryland. So I actually tried to call him again to apologize, but I think he blocked my phone number. So that's the two thing I did this morning. So sorry, Michael. It is what it is. No, it was Michael Huddleston, aka ICT. I'm not. I mean, all due respect, I was just trolling a little bit here. I have no problem with ICT. I'm gonna say, Martin, all my respect to you, Martin, and it's not about that. I just have to say that I don't know about the trading skills of Michael Huddleston, but I do know, and I don't care if he repackaged the stuff. I don't care what whatever. The thing is, back in 2022, and after that in 23, I couldn't find anyone else on social media with so much free educational stuff like ICT put out there. And I told this story many times to you guys, so you might be sick of it already. And in 23, early 23, I was in the hospital for a few weeks, and all I could do, because I was listening, I was having my laptop and my phone, and I was listening to ICT Twitter Spaces. I was watching a lot of ICT videos. I had the time, so I learned a lot during that time. And he was the only person with so much free content. So, can he trade? I have no freaking idea. Are his concepts repackaged old concepts? All due respect, I think some of them are old concepts repackaged. Do I care? Absolutely not. I don't care. I really don't care. I think he's a good teacher, by the way. About his personality, that's a different thing. That's a whole different thing. But that's how I do with it. But since then I'm trying to combine those smart money / ICT concepts with supply demand and which is basically order blocks, and some other stuff. Anyway, everybody has its own way. Never heard this story. Okay. Use the concept, move on. Exactly. Something like that, Kirk. You can hate him, whatever. I don't care, I can't trade. Yeah. That person is great to attract people, yeah. Yeah. I mean, I can pretty much say that I'm not even following ICT's videos this year and his social media presence. I don't even know. So I don't know if he streams or he puts on some lectures, because I'm pretty much on my own now. So in the past few months, I'm pretty much going on my own way. I don't even remember when I watched a full stream from ICT. I don't even know what he's posting on YouTube or Twitter anymore, because I mean, I'm following him, but I'm not really reading what drama is he into or what traits he put on there. Not that I hate him, I just don't really care nowadays. I'm just focusing on my progress, and that's it. You can apply for different movement structure. Yeah, exactly, Lovey. So has a vid that shows all his live trades. Oh, there are people good at teaching but a bad student. I see the good marketer and the teaching all through. Yeah, yeah. That's why I'm not disrespectful for the man or his teachings. I want to save my personal opinion about some stuff, what he says or what he claims, but I think he's a good teacher. That's what I say. Exactly. Just do you. Exactly, Kirk. Yeah, the market maker buy and sell models, I like it, by the way. One of my favorites is, by the way, the market maker buy and the sell models from all the concepts. Although I should be studying it a little bit more. There is a great video for you guys. I can find it somewhere about ICT lectures. I know I have it somewhere here. I just have to find it. Man, where is it? I know I had it somewhere. I think I put it on my Discord too. I know I have it somewhere. No. Oh, here it is. So here's a typical ICT session. Don't worry, it's just fun. You know, it's just fun. They all love ICT. So here's an ICT session for you guys.
The opening price on Sunday. So those 2 price points there's a difference, even though we see it trade back up to it here.
Out there running around saying they could beat my ass in trading. Fucker! Motherfucker! I'm right fucking here!
That's a typical ICT session.
The opening price on Sunday. So those 2 price points there's a difference, even though we see it trade back up to it here.
Out there running around saying they could beat my ass in trading. Fucker! Motherfucker! I'm right fucking here!
This was just fun. Anyway, no disrespect, but you know, in 23, I remember stuff like this happened in early 24. I was also in the same situations. I was true story, take it or leave it. I was in the hospital listening to Twitter Spaces, just like this guy here, and he was like, "Yeah, everything, you know, the price point and the, you know, the content, the fair value gap, blah blah blah." Like I fall to sleep on the hospital bed, and once I just wake up like, motherfucker. Well, what is happening? What is he talking about? So anyway, it was interesting. This is exactly how it happened to me. Anyway. No limits. Exactly, Lovey. A lot of free time, so he's spending. Yeah, he's spending. And he makes a lot of money from YouTube ad revenue. Trust me. And you know why he makes a ton of money? And I'm not envy. I mean, good for him. God bless him for that. But because people are watching his old videos again and again and again, so he always gets new views. Like for example, a car YouTuber or whatever. They put on a video, it has a lifespan, it goes up, and then it's over. Everybody forgets that video. But since ICT is putting on lectures and teachings and stuff like that, his videos are always getting rewatched and rewatched, and so he gets a very, very, very good money for ad revenue. Trust me, he makes a lot of money from YouTube, which is good. Awesome, good for him. I don't mind. I don't care. Yeah. I can't just say good. Yeah, good risk management. That's the key, Pandora. Exactly. 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 Can you upload that to your shorts? Yeah. I can do that. I can do that. Actually, I can. I think it's easier to upload it to. No, I can upload it to my shorts. I'll do it right away. Best model of the other ones. Yeah, I usually like that, Lovey. Yeah. Oh, for his daughter, that's YouTube revenue. Yeah. If you want to start watching ICT, just speed up the videos. That's actually not even no troll, John. That's a good advice. And I say this to look at that. We got to the flat candle. How about that? So that's a good advice, John. And I say this as well to anyone. Speed up the video because it helps a lot when you're watching ICT videos. Hey, thank you, Lovey. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. I don't know if it's gonna retrace. Let's look at the 15-minute. You want to download it? Okay. I can put it onto my X account or the YouTube Shorts. Which one? How about I put it onto my X account? I want to put some other stuff on my YouTube Shorts, but I can upload it to my X. How about that? Let me just find it here. I think it's down here somewhere. And you can download it from X. Come on, where is it? I know it's here. Oh, here it is. Okay, it's on my X profile. You don't have X? Oh. Okay then. All right then. Let me get this off. Let me put it to shorts. Channel. Shorts. How do I post here? Oh, I know. Create. Upload video. I'm not gonna do a description right now. I'm just gonna upload it plain and simple. Where is it? It's always hard to find that video. I have so many files and videos. I just really have to select some of them. Man, where is it? Oh, there it is. I don't know where the files are. Okay. Public. There you go. Now it's uploaded. Sorry. I was taking my time on that one. All right. Are we going to have a structure shift to the downside? Technically, yes, but no displacement with the fair value gap right now. I would like to see a shift lower. Nothing worse than to be confused. Yeah, the confusion. I know, bin trades. That's why I say everybody has a different way. Nugget. I'm still calling it Twitter. I tried to rewire my brain to call it X, but I usually call it Twitter. And not gamble, you are becoming a major league. Exactly, Lobby. So I completely agree with you there. Exactly. Consistency. And by the way, you don't have to really aim for thousands of dollars if you have, by the way, multiple accounts with prop firms. And I'm just talking about prop firms. And Lobby, that's true what you're saying. So imagine if you can make a few $100s on average every day. Like would Trump say, imagine making billions and billions of dollars every day. Tremendously beautiful. Lots of money. You're just winning. Keep on winning. Billions of dollars. Imagine how beautiful that would be. Just beautiful. Billions of dollars. Trillions of dollars even. Yeah. I support fascist. What? You say? Why you say that, Kirk? I'm not supporting. Yeah. Don't be so global. Yeah. Yeah, piece by piece. Boycott X? Okay. How we boycott X? Alright. I get what you mean, Kirk. What else I see as a teacher? Be the SF guys like Barry Burns and others similar to him. John Henry saves 3 years. Wait for low, high previous day. If you below midnight buy. Okay. Oh, I don't want to put this to a political stream, that's for sure. Yeah, I understand. Thanks, JT. John Henry. I'm gonna write it down. Actually, I'm gonna write it down. John Henry. Opening price. Okay, I have it. I have the name. I have so many stuff. I'm writing everything down, and if anyone has some good ideas. And then, you know, after hours, I do some googling and search for some stuff. Don't think about it as dollars. Think about it as trades points. Yeah, handles. Exactly. Exactly, Lovey. You have it, John? I hope you found it. Or you... I'm not sure. I hope the video is visible. Should be 4. Yeah. Yeah. It should be 4 or 5K. And I was saying that average, so with multiple accounts, so knowledge seeker, yeah, 4 or 5K a month, and I would call that technically a starting point. Not starting point, because that's actually way more what retail traders are making in a month from day trading. I'm on Twitter. My Twitter or X handle is this Tom Sabo Biz. You can find it down there. Tom Sabo Biz, or in the description or in the link in the channel, you can find it. I do have a blog too, tomsabo.biz, or if you go to pip.ninja, it basically points you to the same direction for now. So, oh, thank you, Lovey. Thank you so much. Swiss average income 5,000-6,000. Yeah, that's the thing. Like Natasha here, the average Hungarian income is $800 or $900. So below 1,000 for sure. $800-900 is the average income. It's crazy, right? It's crazy, and we're basically not too far away. Per month, yes, JT, per month. Unfortunately, and we're basically the poorest country. Officially, Hungary is the poorest country in the European Union. Yeah, JT, no troll. It's statistics, international statistics, everything is there. Hungary is officially the poorest country in the European Union. The average wage is about $800 to $900 per month. People are actually struggling and desperate, unfortunately, right now. But that's another thing. So, you know, not good here as well. Oh, yeah, but you know what they saying, Fiber, in Hungary? In Hungary, they say people in Romania are living better than in Hungary. Imagine, like, when the Soviet Union break up or dissolved, or what? How do they say? So at the end of the Soviet Union, you know, Hungary was, I mean, I would say Hungary was in a little bit better position than Romania, you know, as economic growth or industrial growth, whatever, you know. But it changed. It changed. Now Romania is in a much, much better economic position. They are doing much better than Hungary. So I would say officially that Romania is absolutely ahead of Hungary. So it changed. Everything changed. Everything changed. And people who live on this side of the border with Romania, people are going to work through the border to work in Romania because the wage is better in Romania. Maybe not the best, maybe, but it's better than in Hungary. So people are struggling here. And the price of the food and utility bills, people are not spending money for clothes or for just items that you would say normal, because people are spending all their money for food and to pay their bills, and that's it. Strictly surviving, strictly on survival mode. So trust me, maybe it's not the case in the capital, in Budapest. Maybe it's not the case there. But as you go to the countryside, to the smaller towns, it is the case. Maybe not in Budapest, but go to smaller towns and you will see. That's the thing. But anyway, my God, stop me. I'm talking. The problem is I'm too much into politics in the past year, because I just see that Hungary is going down the toilet, and it actually struggles me. I mean, sorry, it's giving me PTSD and everything. Like, not just PTSD, it's giving me anger because I see that this country is going down the toilet, and it's just not good. So moving on. You live in Denmark for 8 years. Wow. 5 days times 2, 4 weeks. Exactly. Yeah, about 4K. Yeah. This is coming to a neighborhood near you. Yeah. We think completely. I mean, don't you? That's what I'm saying. Romania is now better. Is that what you're saying? Don't you? Romania is right now in a much better economic position. Wages are better. Anyway, that's how I see it, and many people here in Hungary, that's the way they see it. All respect, you know. All right, I'm stopping. Yeah, cheap 50Ks, yeah. Yeah, I understand. $350 in India. Thank God platform exists, yeah. At least, yeah. Let's try to get rich, so, yeah, exactly. Romania is restricted. I don't know why, by the way. Romania should not be restricted. Boycott X. Yeah. Price action right now is pretty sloppy. I don't think I want to jump into a short here. Order block. Yeah, I trade order blocks. I sometimes call them supply and demand zones, JT. I think there is a lot of similarity between order blocks and supply and demand zones. But yeah. Yeah. This is why I trade, help myself, help others. That's I like it, Natasha. Yeah. I have to work with Apex accounts. Yeah, that it's not bad. Fiber, Apex accounts. I know everybody loves Apex, but hey, I have no doubt that Apex is pretty much solid in terms of having money to pay out traders. Obviously, the new rules effed up a lot of people. I know. Retrace, back to open, or order block. Yeah, at least that's what I think. Just call it order blocks. Kirk, we're gonna call it order blocks. Call it order blocks. All right. The Silent Depression. This new book. Oh, Gary's Economics. Let me write that down. Gary's Economics. Gary's Economics. All right, thank you. Elon loves Apex. Infrastructure, we are only now building highways. So I think we are 10 years. No. Don't you? I think that's not the way we see it in Hungary. You know, whenever we travel to Romania, we see, just like you said, we see constructions, industrial growth, and you know, Romania is actually, I don't know how to put this in short words, but it's growing, it's building infrastructure, and lots of businesses, like international companies, are moving to Romania. So I think there's a huge potential, and I do think that Romania is ahead. Accounts. Yeah, slow grind, just slowly, you know. Fiber, take it slow, you know. Gary is really mad and came from poor background. Oh, it's good to know. The payout works very well. This is the fastest payout of my. Oh, you got the payout. Natasha, I hope you just got approved or onto your wallet or wired or whatever. I know you said it was the first payout, right? Yes, congratulations. Take Profit Trader. You're Dutch originally. All right. International company Romania, as you say. Oh, I see. I see. Let's go, Kirk. Hey, you don't have to thank me, Natasha. It's good to have you in the community. I'm glad we have awesome people around and lady power as well. If you mark up the highs and the lows, oh, you don't have to thank me. You don't have to. The supply and demand order blocks, given bias, you have a high probability trade setup. Yeah. Yeah, John. I agree. You can use them as high probability setups. And JT is gonna keep it until 100. All right, JT. At least give us some hints, you know, when your account is on those high. We want to celebrate with you. Intraday for pro accounts. Yeah, hopefully they will change it, but oh, because you're a swing trader. Yeah, I understand now. Yeah, I understand. Knowledge seeker. You need some wiggle room to trade. Yes. Now I have my party. Let's go party. Natasha received the first payout from Take Profit Trader. Awesome. Super close-ups on pixelated amounts. All right, do that, JT. We want to see that. We want to see that. Oh, awesome. Awesome. She's getting very good reception there. You won't forget me. Don't forget me, JT. When you're at the top and I'm still sitting here trying and not giving up, just don't forget me. Speaking of forgetting, don't forget the Apex sale is ending tomorrow, Thursday evening after market hours, or 23:59 p.m. Eastern Standard. So you still have like today and tomorrow for the 80% sale, and Bulenox is gonna end tomorrow as well. Yeah, so the same time. Just saying. All right, John. All right, John. I'm okay. Like king of the hill. Queen 2. All right. Big profit, then swing trade. Yeah, I keep hearing that, you know, swing trading is actually much less stressful. So, I guess it is. anyway, you know what comes now? Now comes the part that I'm gonna say I think I'm done for this session. I don't want to take more trades here because, you know, just getting to the end of the kill zone anyway. So you trade on 1 to 4. Oh yeah, that's like stress-free. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I think this was it. It was an interesting session. I did like the trades, although, you know, not the best risk management here on this one. But still, there was some valid setups. 2 losses, actually 3 losses, 1 almost win. Moving on. So thank you again. I'll be back for the New York session. And what can I say? God bless you all. And if you would like to support the channel, please do not forget to use my code. It works mostly on all of these platforms except Tradeify. I don't have a custom code for it, but if you click on my link and use the code MAR, we'll give some credit to the channel. Thank you so much. Again, God bless you all, and I'll be back for New York. All right? Cheers, everybody!